Okay, we're back. I have another option for you for the 6 ounce a day for 30 days snap challenge. So remember from our shopping list, we had the black eyed peas, the dried black eyed peas. Well, I went ahead and made those. That's this right here. So this 16 ounce, it's ends up 1 pound bag of dried black eyed peas yielded this and this. And then I made some white rice. Remember, we had the 5 pound bag of white rice. I made just 2 dried cups of the white rice, and it yielded almost 4 or 5 cups of rice. So we have plenty of rice, plenty of beans. This could be a meal or a side dish. And I prepared it for you right here. We have the black eyed peas and rice. So this takes a little bit more time to actually prepare because the black eyed peas take about an hour to make. And then if you do have a rice cooker, if not, you can make the rice on the stove or honestly in the oven. Here we make big batches of rice. This is another option of a way to cook rice. 2-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of dried rice to 2 cups of water. And then I added in a little bit of our chicken bouillon that we had, part of our staple, and a little bit of the olive oil. And you can put it in the oven or I put it in the rice cooker. So again, another option for you during our snap challenge. This could be, actually, I would eat this for a meal. You could add a salad to it. So continue watching along the journey and check out different options for, again, the snap challenge, 6 hours a day for 30 days. So I'm going to say this is going to be, I should have said this is like 3/4 cup. Does that matter?